Kia ora no. Today we're looking at tuahine, which means sister, as you already know. In the other tuahine lesson we used tuahine-ratou because there was two sisters. I remind you that tuahine can also mean older sister and younger sister. There's no distinction. I think it's because the Maori whakapapa was a patriarchal order rather than a matriarchal order. Okay, so when we're looking at tuahine and ratou, if you are looking at ratou, obviously you're looking at more than 3 sisters, regardless if they're older or younger. That's for males. Okay, so I would use this if I had 2 older sisters and a younger sister. I would just state their names. Remember that we use the ratou after the first person's name or before the last person's name, and we only use it once. Okay, so that's a little rule for you. So we'll go ko wiki ratou ko matire ko kimi ora aku tuahine. Say that again. Wiki and matire kimi ora are my sisters. Ko wiki ratou ko matire ko kimi ora aku tuahine. Ka pai? Kia ora.